Hey passive affiliates, this is week 2, video 2. In this video, I'm going to talk about YouTube banner or header or image on your channel. And if you've been on YouTube on a desktop or a laptop, you see a header on the top of the YouTube page, right? So you can see that. And the problems with having a bad header is that your channel will be perceived as very low quality and no one will really take you seriously. And I think personally that it makes a difference between a good channel and a bad channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you're right here as well. And my goal for this video is to make a channel banner. And by the end of this video, you'll have made a channel banner. Very short and simple video today. And I haven't done this before. Now let's get into it. Or I've done it before, but I'm going to do it live here with you today for a mental health channel. So what I like doing is going to canva.com, and this is a free software that you can use, canva.com, make an account. And I like doing going to YouTube channel art, and right here you can see all these amazing templates that they've made for you. And I love this. I love this so much. It doesn't take much time at all to make a channel, a very nice channel header. And they also have, like, you can pay for these backgrounds. So some of these, or this looks very weird. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's a watermark on top. But you can also pay for some of them, and it's like $1 or something like that, which is super cool. Now, mental health. What we're thinking about when it comes to mental health is, and our channel name is, ooh, nope, this is not, coping with mental health. And already, just like that, we have we have made a header. And you can add a tagline under here. There are many that do that. We could come up with something cool here. Let's see, coping with mental health. So I like doing like anxiety, depression, stress, and no more. So no more anxiety, depression, stress. So we found that anxiety and depression was it anxiety and depression? That was the most. No more anxiety, or getting rid of your anxiety and depression, one video at the time. So here's a pretty decent tagline, I guess. And I want to have it all on one line. So coping with mental health, getting rid of your anxiety and depression, one video at a time. I think I would do like how to cope with, and actually I want to do like keyword planner. I just really want to figure out which exact kind of keywords was the most searched, because I want to figure out like who am I actually targeting here. So I want to find if it's anxiety, depression, stress. Should I have that in there? And I just want to search what are people searching for, or what are people associating with mental health is what I'm trying to figure out. So here we can find, so depression, it has a lot. Bipolar disorder has a lot. Bipolar right here as well. And I want to do average monthly searches. depression and anxiety is definitely the biggest. Personality disorder, yes, depression symptoms. So depression and anxiety, basically the two biggest. Schizophrenia also. Actually, I want to go back and I want to do mental health once again. Hold on. I'm not going to search by Avril Monty searches because this is by relevance, So bipolar disorder is actually bipolar. So I think bipolar is a big one. Mental disorders, bipolar. So I think bipolar and schizophrenia also is paranoid schizophrenia, schizoaffective disorder. Yeah, so I think if we just had this coping with mental health, how to cope with anxiety and depression, one video at a time. Or we could do the guide to coping with anxiety and depression. Anxiety, depression, stress. Again, like I kind of want to niche it down even more. So if our channel is about anxiety, depression, stress, bipolar, and schizophrenia, I can't write that. Almost. The guide to coping with anxiety, depression, stress, bipolar. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do the guide to coping with anxiety and depression. Depression. Whoa. So I wanna have living a fulfilled life, coping with anxiety and depression. Is it fulfilled? Fulfilled. Is that not a word? Living a fulfilled life. That is a word. Fulfilled life. Living a fulfilled life. Was it F-U-L? Okay, very good. Get back. Living a fulfilled life, coping with anxiety and depression. Yeah, I like that. I think I would like, this is kind of a mental health image, is it not? This was actually like beauty, but it works very well. So that is basically the header. Other tips, other tricks, yeah, just go in here, try coping with mental health, try doing the exact same thing that I did. There's no real cheat code. Go in here, find a template with the tagline. Just try to find something that your channel is about, like Gillette, best a man can get. What does coping with mental health mean? Why did you make this channel? And this tagline should answer that question. So why did I make this? Because I want to share with others how to live a fulfilled life, coping with anxiety and depression. Well, I'm actually to live. I love how to live a fulfilled life, coping with anxiety and depression. And the reason you want, I kind of like this tagline because when someone comes into your channel and they have, let's say they have mental health problems and they have anxiety, they have depression, they have stress and anxiety, they come into your channel and they see like, oh, this channel is how to live a life fulfilled, how to live a fulfilled life, coping with anxiety and depression, and they're like, whoa, that's cool. And your video is like the anxiety attacks, how to cope with anxiety attacks, how to cope with this, how to cope with that, and they're like, wow, this channel is awesome, I love it, I'm gonna subscribe. So that is basically the headers. If there's any questions, let me know. And passive affiliates, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.